Good morning, baby.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Where are we going?
We're going to go birding at the Bear River Refuge.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. We are here.
Manifesting short-eared owls.
We are manifesting short-eared owls, SEOs. They've been sighted here several times, so we are hoping for the best. We are here very early in the morning. So early that I probably can't even shoot, but that's okay. A sighting is a good thing.
We love a good sighting.
We love a good sighting. That's a magpie. We don't care about them.
We don't care about the corvids.
There's a lot of things we don't care about. We don't care about corvids, and I don't care if anyone hates me for that. Magpies, ravens,
Ravens
that's
are
kestrel.
cool. That's
on the
kestrel.
sign
That's
was really close,
yeah.
but okay.
You just passed it.
We passed it. Okay.
What do you got, babe?
That is a rough-legged hawk.
Nice.
I'll take a video.
It's a pretty morning.
I like the Facebook marked safe from goose season.
Oh God.
They know what day it is.
They know what's
They
up.
know what day it is. They're just out here strutting. That's so funny. Cheese. Okay, so we thought we saw a bird. It is a stick.
Every time.
Yeah.
Another rough-legged hawk?
Another one. They're just out in full force today. Okay, over here we have
It's big.
eagles.
It's an eagle.
There's a white head. See?
Cool. What just happened, babe?
Babe, there's a whole host of GBH's herons out there. There's 2 sandhill cranes over there. A bunch of swans just landed. Crazy. And there's a cool chick
With a Sony.
Does she have a Sony?
It looked like a Sony. I couldn't tell though.
I think it was a Canon.
Oh, really?
I don't think she's a Sony girl. We respect her though. She has loafers on and has a chair. Put on a show.
He was hanging out?
Look at him. He's beautiful. He's just across the road there.